They hear me coming through, crystal clear, something new. Bloggers got some shit to do, catching up with the LEF, TBO. Why? Because they need me here. I'm the one that's making love to everybody's inner ear. We got a winner here, captain of the drunken ship. Everyone inside my crew is loving all this funky shit, because it's ill, it's dope, it's sick, it's fresh, it's tight.
Supercalifragilistic.
Get high so I can get low. Jack Sparrow when I smoke, go any way that the wind blow. They know I got a sick flow. Get high so I can get low. Jack Sparrow when I smoke, go any way that the wind blow. They know I got a sick flow.